folder, back in start the server. Normal space, my server, front end, start the cmd, npm start. So come to the billing part. Customer name was coming. Server started for everyone. This data is changing for everyone, hopefully. Similar way, we need to get the details of product also, calculation part we have to do. Like this product calculation part we need to do now. So let's come to the code. And here, product info, we have a function, product print product we have. You need to call here on change. On change, we need to call here obj print product this comma, not this comma, simple obj dot target dot value, and then below here no need to call this all. We have to write value equal to index. Right, so completed here. Okay, so hope return come up. Right here call index and alert the index. Alert the index. When we change the option from the drop down product, the index will come as alert. Index is coming as alert. Right? Move it. we have to create next state variables. State variable where what are the product details we have? We need to see once. Like in product, we can see. Let me see once here. In product, we have following data. Might take a long time. Okay. Loaded. So product list I saw here. In the product list, we have following details. In product list, we have the name, price, quantity, and details. We require to capture the product, price, and quantity. Product, price, and quantity. Why? Because okay, so product price we need to capture mainly. Price will capture and will display the price here. Price will display here. Quantity by default it will come 1, and based on the selected product, we have to display the here this one. So what are the details we got is we got the details. Something is happening. So we need to capture the price. Okay, let's capture the price of the product. Yeah, hello. हेलो, हाँ बताइए. नहीं हम नहीं कर सकते हैं ना. नहीं, आपका प्रोजेक्ट काम कर रहा है, मैंने रन करा के देखा चल रहा है, मैंने आपको भेज दिया. बाकी वहाँ पे कोई आपका फ्रेंड है लोकल है तो उससे आप हेल्प ले लीजिए. हाँ नहीं मेरा क्लासेस बहुत है ना, फ्री नहीं. तब ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ है, उसके बाद क्लासेस है मेरा, फ्री नहीं हुआ. Okay, no come. I don't know, someone have found my name, they message me. I helped him again, he's calling me again and again. Sunday. Okay, so now come, create a state variable. Let price, comma process, price equal to use state 0. Next after that let qty, comma process qty equal to use state. Okay, so we'll give it a 0. By default quantity is 1. Now one more variable, let total, process total equal to use state total also as a 0 by default. Now come inside. Whenever we select a product, our array name is called product. Our array name is called, what is array name? All products is the array name. So we have to do here process qty. Under the qty we have to give by default as a 1 process qty. 1 is there by default. No need to update this. Process price. So 1 into all product of index dot price. It will take the price of one product, multiply by 1. Why? Because quantity is 1. Then process total, also same thing will happen here. Total also will be same. Quantity 1, so total will be similar. So these two values we are updating here based on. So write this 2 line, then come to the yeah, so total here. After writing, come down below, price, qty, and total. 3 things we have to display. So go to the quantity block. In quantity, write value equal to qty. What is our variable name? qty. Yes. On change equal to obj process qty. Here we have to do obj.target.𝖊𝖆. Similar way, in the price case also we need to do the same. Total, what is that price? Our page structure is something like this. Quantity, price, below it should display total. So we have to display called price in the bottom. We have to display here price, process price. Then after this 12, we will display one more 12. H4, class name, call LG12, text icon center, total price, okay, it's particular. So here process the QTY, here process the total will be. So when I choose milk 45 rupees, orange 100 rupees, 150, apple 200, so it will change here. Please check once quantity. Here quantity if you are increasing, it should not change because we have not modified that. Check once on the change of the price. When you change the product, price is changing. When you change the product, price will get changed. Anyone totally changing or not? Call this on change. Here also on change, and then check in the bottom. Well, total should get changed. When you select the price, when you select the product here, according to product the price will change. According to product the price will change. According to product the price will be changed. According to quantity, again we have to do some changes. So first check. According to product the price is changing. When you select the customer details will come below. Product we select, product details will come here. Next will be when we change the quantity, total will get modified. When we change the quantity, product total has to change here. Now let's go work on the quantity part. Okay, so we can write here this 3 line process quantity. Just copy paste here this line and do QTY. Just change here QTY. Here also change the QTY. QTY into product of price. QTY into this one. Only price you have to add here. QTY into only price. Because the price will already come here. And price is by default how much? 0. Quantity is also 0. So this line should not throw the error. Oh, re-render, limit the number of render to prevent the loop. Set. This becomes the next problem. Right. Okay, no issue. So these 2 lines remove. We have solution for this. We can get it and remove that 2 line. When you create the page, when you work on the project is not like only adding the routing, creating the pages, adding, deleting. Some logic processing part is also there. So what you are doing now, it is called processing part. According to business requirement, our application should process the data. Okay, let us check now. So till here it was supposed to, functionality was ready. Our requirement is when we change the quantity, this has to change. When we change the quantity, this has to change, right? No problem, we have solution. Let's go. We have called here on change. Write another function. Onst change price. Change price. not change price, change QTY. Change QTY. In that, you will pass here the value as a new QTY. Then you will call this two line and add here, and you will write new QTY into price. New QTY into price. Which price? Those price that is available under the state. QTY into price. So this function we will call on change. Whenever we change the dropdown, we will call this function. Then you will see automatically the price and quantity will be changed. Okay, new quantity we are calling. We have to update the quantity also. Process QTY also we have to change here, so that the quantity will get updated. Quantity will get updated. This will be new QTY. So we change quantity. Whenever we are changing the quantity, we have to call this function change quantity. The value will come from there and hold under this variable. So let me guide you how to do that. Write this change QTY function. Let me know also. Okay, so we are written coming down. Let's call this change QTY function. Yeah, we are written on enter. We are calling here obj.target.value here, right? So we'll not call that now. On change equal to, we will call the function obj.target.value. Yeah, okay. Call this function. QTY is here. Here call obj on change. Change QTY function you can call. Change QTY function you can call here. Then after that, I will check once. So we modify milk 45 rupees. I made as a 2 quantity. Oh, it has to reflect here. That's when it's not reflected here. Value is not getting passed. Look like. Okay, no problem. I'll see the alert. What is happening? New QTY is getting. Come or not? Alert. New QTY. Alert. New QTY. Save it. Came 0 20 happened. I made 5 happened, but it should reflect here. Okay, on change 5 happened, it should reflect there. 6 also reflect. Alert is happening here. Came for you. Why not happening for new QTY into price? For me, why not happening? 35 ones is the column of browser related. P5 empty. 2 not happening. Anyone else happening? Now 5. But how is happening 5? Okay. So here the problem is of this one. First to change into %. Apply here %. Change to %. And then here all product of price. Only price will not add. We have to add here all product of price. Then it will work. Wait a minute. I'll show you how it is. Index is not defined. Okay, index is not defined. It's clear. Definitely index will come here. Index is not defined. Okay, let me do one thing here. Let one variable I'll create. Old price equal to by default 0. Old price I will keep here. Then old price will go here. Now this old price I'll take and I will add in old price. It should work now. One quantity 45 rupees. Two quantity 0 happen. Not happen again. Price is 0. Yes, that is not change here. Not change here. So this old price I wanted to hold the previous value. Okay, so that not happen. Previous value is not updating here. All product of index of price I wanted to hold here, and that variable here when I call is giving me the 0. Right, so wait, I will do one more changes here and create one more variable, old price, state variable only, because state variable will be changed. Process old price 0. Now I will call here update old price. The complexity. So old price I'm processing here, so that old price will be able to capture here and do the items. Milk 45 rupees. I change to old price is 45. 45 into 90. 3. If I put or 4. 45 into 4, 180. 45 into 5, 225. 100. 100. 10 I given. 45 into 10. 40. Now it's a right calculation. When I change the orange 150, then 2 quantity, change to this much 300. Okay, so what we will do is not very difficult to change. Let me guide you. The first you keep here, call this line. Write this line. Old price, process old price. I will share in chat. Okay, and again, add this one inside the index. First one is out of the function, second one is inside the function. Add both. One is inside the function and this is out of the function. One is inside the function, second one is outside the function. Added 2 line. After adding the 2 line, come down to the change price function, and in change price function, write this. Or I will share a complete change price function. In change price function, you have to change this old price. This both the code I'm sharing in the chat till here, from here to here. Or if you're writing, then write it. Old price, replace this. Billing file is coming to a chat also. Either replace the code, replace the file, do any changes, and check once. That quantity, when you change the price, is changing or not. Check once when you change the quantity, price. Complete file is sent in your chat and check once. Complete file is sent in your chat. Now when we click on save button, generate bill, we need to call one API. There, customer details, all, plus quantity, product name, product quantity, and total price. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 input we have to post to the server, and we'll store in database, and then we will display the list here. That is the work is beginning. So let's come write a function called save bill const save bill equal to save bill equal to read object let bill data equal to full name will come from this variable full name variable comma email will come from this variable email. Next after that mobile will come from the mobile variable. Then city will come from the city variable. Then pin code will come from the pin variable. We have a variable called pin. Address will come from the address variable. Address will come from the address variable. Next after that product name, which product we have selected. So product colon, we have a variable here called product. Where is that? Okay, so we are not capturing the product name here. We have to capture that. Right. So we need to create a state variable and print product function. We have captured the name, price, quantity. Price we have captured, quantity we have captured. Remaining details is not captured. So we need to capture that also. Now let me write here college test product. Then QUANTITY quantity colon QTY. Then price colon price. Then total colon total. These all are the details, bill data. Then after this, we need to do once console.log the bill data. Yeah, so this save bill function I sent in your chat. Save bill function I sent in your chat. Take that code. You have to work on the product name also. Okay, just write it 8 minutes now. Yeah, so totally clear. Now come down. We'll go to the save function. We have a function called generate bill. On click equal to call the save bill function. On click equal to call the save bill function. Okay. 8 minutes.
Hey.
Yeah. So now we can check once. On button click, all details are printing or not. So we can select the Sunil, milk, quantity 2, and in console you can check once. After clicking on save button, generate bill, you can see here, full name Sunil, email, mobile, pin code, price 90 rupees, quantity 2, total 90 rupees, and then okay, total price already displaying here. So why we need to process 2 times, total and total price? There is a printing point, okay, let it be. So this all information we need to post to submit now, back in now. Okay, even the product name is coming test, it should come milk. Product name is coming. Now old price, we can, no, old price, total price we display there. Okay, we can post the old price, no problem. So here, instead of displaying the this one, we can display the old price. Here we display for price, we can display for old price, old price, old price. And inside the page also, come down. Here you are displaying the price. Here we should display old price. In this text box, we should display the old price. We can come down and we have a price field, display their old price. Only display the old price and remove on change. On change is not required here. Remove old price. In the total price, we have written, we have to change a little. We have to change a little called price per unit. Price. Only keep price, remove total, because total price we have below. The last text box we can modify, display only old price. Display the old price. Old price we added. Now let us check once. So again, value drop changes. Okay, that is no problem. We can replace here 2. Now it is not changing. 3 not changing. Something wrong happen again. 5 not changes. For me is gone here. Even for 1, product we have to choose 45 to 19. 3. We have to choose the product first. Then it will happen. Okay, so this is perfect now. Total. And let's see now. So here I selected 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖏, mango, 2 quantity. Then click on save. So 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖏 details, price 100. Then quantity 2, total 200. These all details of the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖏 with the price product will go to the server. Okay, so coming up, next work is to work on name, product name. Product name, we have to create a variable here to manage the product name. Right here, create another variable. Let p name, comma, process p name equal to user state empty. User state empty. Okay, so hope created. Now come down. Right here, another process name. Process name. Name we can pass here. name of the product name, simple. So now your product name will also come in the add this to line, create a state variable, write this process name. Okay, so done with here, product name. Next, after this, we need to work on this p name. You have to push inside at the place of product name. Okay, just wait. You came for the inquiry. Wait for 2 minutes. P name, check once. You can go here, select the user, select the anything, then enter the quantity, then look into the console. Look into the console. You can see now all details are coming. Oh, product name is coming undefined by 8 minutes. We'll find it out. It will look like something else. Let it load once. What is the property name of product? It is called p name. Hold on, it's a p name. You can change here to p name, not only name, p name. One place this line number 60, modify the p name. That is the object of your array. P name can add the p name, and then let us sequence. Now unnail, then this product to quantity came here, then submit again. It should display in console. Yeah, that's loading idle system. Unnail particular quantity, then right click inspect console and check once. So now all details will come. Orange will come here. Check once, I'll come in 2 minutes. Here I need to add the p name, remaining all are same. Yeah, sorry, your details are coming now. Next, after that, we need to work on that API part. API in the sense, we have to create the schema, we have to do the remaining stuff, then we can move on. So let's go, and we should have a schema of following components, following names. This one, full name and other details. So we'll come inside. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Okay. UX we don't teach. We teach only UI. Graphics is not there. No. So now we need to go to the next schema file. So come to your backend folder, and then go to the schema folder. In schema folder, create a file called build schema.js. Build schema.js. Create a file called build schema.js. Build schema.js. Build schema.js. In build schema.js, we can take any schema file. Customer schema is also okay. You can copy this customer schema and paste under the build schema. And number of column we have to change now. Hey, why so many are calling now? Yeah, hello. Hello. SQL and Python, okay. Okay, no problem. Give some time, we'll call you back. Tell me your name. Vedanta. We'll call you in some time. Okay, build structure. Now, what are the schema you required? We have written here. Full name, email ID, mobile number, etc. So we can copy this, the JSON object you have written here, no? Copy the same and add under the build schema here. And then this all will be same as usual. And we need to add the remaining 3 fields. What 3 fields we have extra? 3 extra fields we have. That is called this 3. Quantity, product, and total. 4 fields we have extra. That we can take. Okay. So you can take this and add here under the build schema. Add 4 more fields. Add 4 more fields. Those all will be kind of this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is the schema file of your quantity. Should be the number. NUMBER. Price should be number. Total should be number. So this schema I am sharing you. This will call it a build. Build schema. Build structure, build schema. Complete code is coming to your chat. You can take that. Or if you want to add, you can write it manually also. Let me reply once. Let me know once. Happen. Okay, written. Now schema is ready. We have to connect it. We have to connect the schema part with the API folder. Go to the API folder, create a file. In API folder, you can take the customer API, or maybe product API, customer API better to take, and create a next file called billing API. Billing API.js. Billing API.js, we can take the copy of. You can import here also. Billing schema slash, what is the file name? Bill schema. Schema slash bill schema. Coming down, there will be 2 functions. One is for get, another one is for post. Okay, get and post. One is called get, and second one is called post. Get token number and all is not required. Right here, my billing dot find, right, and then all bill and all bill. This is nothing but to get the bill data complete. This is to get the complete bill data. Another one, we have to write a function router.post where data will come and request comma response. Make it clear. So in the billing file, we need to save and list. We need to save all the bill and we need to fetch all the bill. Okay, so done till here. Let's write the save part. So for saving part, we can take some help from previous file. Here we have something. This section you can copy. Let part come here. This is not new customer. We have to change to the billing. Billing, new bill. There full name, what and all we are posting from there we have to see. Full name, email, mobile, city, pin code. Full name, email, mobile, city, pin code, address. After that, what else we are posting from here? Pin code, product quantity, total price. This we need to add here. Comma, product quantity, total and price. Okay. In a schema, what we have added? Product quantity, price, total. Quantity, price as well as total. So here we have to add request.body everywhere, including comma. Okay. So we'll add here called product, then quantity, then called price, then called total. Async we need to add in the beginning. Here it will be new bill.save. After that, message bill generated successfully. This and all is not required in the last. This also not needed. It is just for saving purpose. So full name, mobile, email, city, pin code, address, product quantity, pin code, address. This becomes the API part, saving and fetching. Okay, saving function as well as fetching function. So this complete code name in the chat. Saving the product. This full code I'm sharing in the chat again. Full code of this file. Full code of this file sent in your chat. Okay, completed. Next, we need to work on next. So come to the service file. In my service file, we have to import here in the last again const bill equal to bill or what we have given billing app. Billing equal to require dot slash API slash billing API. Next, after that, right below use API app dot use billing we can write, and then pass here as a billing. This will give the URL of this one billing required slash API billing app, write it, and then check your server is running or crashed. Something wrong here. Request from a response. No problem. Let's add it first. We can find out the inner level error. Okay, added. Now in the billing file it says async request is correct. Only here async. Maybe it has crashed that time. I have to restart maybe. Okay, so request response JS product of post async request response कर देगा. So both are same. The first one is REQ request and response. Now it's compiled, database connected. Both are given the same request response. Change that. One will be REQ, second will be RES, request and response. Request and response. The database is connected. Now from the request should come from the read part. From read we have to post the data. So come to the billing.js file and remove console.log. Write the remaining thing. URL, this URL that you have created just now. Billing. Then next let post option. Headers. Content type. Application. Serialization. Method. Post. Method, headers, method. Then body. JSON.stringify. This data, build data. Coming down. Text. URL, comma. Post data, post option. Dot then. Response. Response.json. Dot then. Message. Write here server message. Server message alert. Server message dot message. You are returning from there one message something. You can see here we are returning here message. Server response dot message and alert. So we'll come to know whether data is saved or not, or what happened based on that response. So that code is sent is an URL related. You can get that. We can try saving the data. Okay, so we return. Let us check now whether it's getting processed or not. So I will go here, Sunil, milk, quantity, and then click on generate bill. Some error came. Yeah. Fail to fetch. In promise, fail to fetch. Save bill, fail to fetch. Fail to fetch. Data have not passed. 9999 port number is that. The server is crashed, I guess. Yeah, the crash. Okay, so it says value, path value, some value is unfilled. Mobile is required. I think I have not passed the mobile field. Look like that is wrong. You have to compare each value, then only it will process. Let me see what we are passing from here. So while passing full name, email, mobile. Full name, email, mobile, city, PIN address. Full name, email, mobile, city, PIN address. PNAME, we have one PNAME, QTY, old price, and then total. Now here we have full name, email, mobile, city. Here what we receive? Full name, email, mobile, city. After that, PIN code, address, product. PIN code, address, product. Quantity, price, total. Quantity, price, total. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, 10 we have added from here also. 10 we have stored there also. Now we need to see in mobile schema file what we have. Okay, is a string here. The string is matter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alert is coming. But for me, alert was fail. Bill I have written here, bill. So bill API I imported call. Okay, billing I imported here. I should call here billing. Schema name I should write call billing. Because I have imported here billing, billing.find, and here also billing.find. I should give billing. I have written called bill. Let me try one more time next. Sunil, quantity 2, alert. Network. Post method went. Let us. Anyone else? Data is getting processed. So let me check now in Compass whether database is created or not. Mongo Compass. Bill is created and billing is also created. Inside the billing data is not there. Right? Billings is created. Bill is also created. Bill I will delete from here. Drop collision. Bills. Bills I remove it. Billings now. But where is the error? Post V request and response. Request.body.fullname, email, mobile, speed, input, address. All are coming. Billing schema is perfect. This file is also okay. Errors, content type, application JSON. Post, JSON stringify bill data. Billing, BILLING. Save bill, everything is perfect. URL. Billing. Yung bill lah. Pass mobile is required. It is asking for mobile number something. Mobile number is passing undefined. But when I look at here, mobile MOBILE. Oh, sorry, spelling was wrong. Mobile MOBILE. MOBI I have written. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Change this line. Mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E. I'll try again. Let me start the server. We'll go here. Bill generated successfully. Data should go to the database. One bill is created. You can see Sunil letter is the price, city, pin code, address, product, milk, quantity 2, price 45, total 90. The data is saving properly. Let me go for Anil. Orange quantity 3. Save, bill generated. The data should also come here. Now that bill we have to display here. The data is getting saved. We need to display in the bottom list of billing. Whichever the data available in the billing, that data should come under the table. So saving for how many people? One person has replied saving. Anyone else? So from the front end billing file I send you. Billing file I send you. You replace in the React file. Replace the billing.js. Billing.js to replace that code. Next I'll send the schema file. Schema file I will send now. Schema file. Bill schema. Next I'll send the API file. Now let us change 3 and then we'll see the listing part. We should be able to display the list of product. So file is replaced. Here we need to display the list now. We need to display the list here. So for that purpose, we are going to create a fetch function now. Come in the last, right here, let all bill, update bill, use state, one array, then next call, const, get bill, then again, fetch function. You can add this URL here. Come down, response.json, then bill array will send to the update bill array return to the update bill. Overall clear. Let's add this comment here called H all bill. H all bill. Now use effect we have to call in the beginning, and then call this function get bill. Use effect we need to call in the beginning. Okay, done it. Use effect we have to call on the top. Import use effect is already imported. Very good. In use effect you can call below get bill. Get bill. Under the use effect call the function called get bill. Under the use effect call the function called get bill. Now get bill we have written. Come down below. All bill is the variable. We need to create one row in the last. Division class name equal to row MP4 MB5 MB5 division class name call LG12 create a table inside the class equal to table. Okay, class equal to table head tr th serial number, not serial number. You can write here call customer name email mobile city pin code name email mobile city pin code address product quantity and total somewhere. Then call product price UTY and total. Then below you will write a map function body call bill.map bill comma index. Then we can go. We can write here return tr td bill.name. Then for this tr equal to index is also required. Bill.name td bill.name email next mobile city pin code address product is quantity and total. Okay. Name after that, email after that, mobile after that, city after that, pin code after that, address after that, product after that, price after that, UTY, and then for total. Price, quantity, total. Okay. Next, it should give us the details of all the products. You can see here, Sunil milk. QTY is not coming. It should be quantity. QUANTITY quantity. Quantity is coming here. So check now. List is coming or not. If list appear, then we can add the next something. Okay, so data is listed. Now we will save the data. After saving the data, we need to call this list so that here the list will get refreshed. So go here after saving that. Here save will we have at last. Here you can add call get bill. Get bill function is called after saving the bill. After saving the bill, call the get bill. After saving the bill, call the get bill again. So that once you create the new bill, it will appear in the list. After saving, it will appear in the list on the top. Now the bill will come. Bills will come in descending order. The last bill should be on the top. So what we'll do is we will go here. Bill array dot reverse. Right here. Get bill function is written. Update bill array dot reverse. Bill array dot reverse. Last bill will come on the top. Now let me keep here Deepak. He is purchasing orange 5 kg. There bill. Deepak came on the top. Orange bill generated. Then Rahul purchased the apple of 2 kg. Here. Okay, coming. How fast? Your data will be going here under the MongoDB Compass. You can see here. Data will be stored here under the database. Happening or not happening? This length we can display on the top dashboard. We'll add one more here called total bills. Total customer, add product, total product, and then one total bill. Okay, so this you can copy from here now, get bill, and come to the dashboard file. Copy this 2 line and come to the dashboard file. Copy this much from the billing, come to the dashboard file. In dashboard you can add here before use effect. In dashboard you can add it before use effect. Okay, imported. Then get bill function you call into the use effect area. Get bill call under the use effect. Get bill call under the use effect. Okay, so get will be added here. Okay, get bill we have. So we call here get bill. Right. Next, after this, come down. And we have to display the length of all bill. You add this code here, then call here get bill. Coming down, one more call ag3 we have to copy paste. Call ag3 we need to copy, paste below. And we have to change the path. What is the path of that? The path is called billing. Path is billing. We can change here billing. Path is billing. Change to billing. After that, suitcase you have to change with the print. Print. Icon should be print icon. And then all bill. Bill dot length, bills generated. It will say 35, 36, 35, 32, 31. How many bills will be generated? That many bills will come. It will say this many bills is generated. On dashboard, 4 bills generated. When I click here, like this, happening. So complete adding the customer, listing the customer, adding the product, listing the product, generating the bill, listing the bill, and displaying the summary of all in the dashboard is ready. That become one complete solution of adding the customer, generating the bills based on the product. Any product we can add and we can generate the bill